So I just got home from work and I'm hearing this really strange noise. Can you guys hear it? And I don't know the source. And it's not my cooler for a change. I don't recognize it at all. It's not a normal sound. It reminds me like of fleet of jets in the sky or something, but I can't see anything. What the hell is it? Yes, by the way, too, while we're out here, let's just take a look at this bullshit. Yep, see those chemtrilly... Let's make another fucking storm clouds. Yep. Look at that. Can't wait for some more bugs to rain down on me. Good God Almighty. And what's up with that big old fucking cloud right there? Excuse my French. I had a bad day. What's that noise? And what are those two things on that roof across the street? I've always wondered. Are those sunroof protector lenses or something? I want to know what this noise is. I'm really curious. Okay, bye.